Hello internet world, welcome to my unboxing of the M2 MacBook Pro. This is a 13.3 inch MacBook Pro with the M2 processor inside. I wanted to give you a quick unboxing just so you get to see what you'll get inside the box if you buy one of these laptops from Apple. So a nice colourful box, MacBook Pro written on either side, and then on the ends we've got the Apple logo, and then a nice picture of the laptop in the centre of the box. So it will come wrapped in like a cellophane cling type wrap, and once you've removed that seal you can open the box up and you're presented with the laptop. Wow, it looks so good. Now this is the space grey colour. I believe you can also get silver as well. There's a little tiny tab on the internal wrapping that you can pull the laptop out with. And then in the bottom of the box we have got some documentation. So inside here we have got just a guide through the laptop, how to get it up and running and the various ports. We also got some extra information there, and then some Apple stickers. And then further down in the box we have got a country specific adapter plug. I'm in the UK, this is a 3-pin UK adapter plug. Depending upon which country you're in, you'll get a country specific adapter inside the box. And then we get the power brick itself. This is a 67 watt USB-C power brick. The adapter plug goes in here, and then you've got a USB-C port on the back. And then we of course get a USB-C cable. So everything you need obviously to run the laptop. Now let's take a closer look at the MacBook Pro itself. So it's wrapped up in this sort of paper, and we can peel this back and have a look at the actual laptop. It's very nicely wrapped. There we go. So the base of the laptop has basically got the hinge mechanism and some rubberized feet. There's ventilation at the back here, and then if we look at this side of the laptop we have got a 3.5mm audio jack. We look at the front, this is where you can open up the laptop lid and gain access to the screen of course. And then we've got two USB-C ports or Thunderbolt 4 ports, really fast. One of them you can use for charging of course, or if you're not charging the laptop you can use both of them for peripherals. And then the Apple logo on the top. Let's just open this up and you can see the really nice keyboard. It's absolutely stunning keyboard, really large force touchpad with force feedback on it. It really is nice. We've got speakers flanking the keyboard either side, and then at the top here we've got a touch bar. This gives you sort of touch access to various features. Escape key in the top left, and then the Touch ID power button which reads your fingerprint for security in the top right. And then we've got a cover on the screen which we will just peel back, and you can see that gorgeous display. Just look at that display. This is a stunning laptop, very compact, very powerful with the latest Apple M2 chip inside, and it is just amazing. Very good performance. I can highly recommend this latest version of the 13.3 inch MacBook Pro with the M2 processor. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to buy one of these for yourself, please do check out my links in the video description. I'll see you in another video very soon.